My name is George Thomas. I am a watch professional restorer of antique watches, and I've been working with Stour for more than 10 years, and they have sold quite a number of our watches, mostly the high-end type of watches that we make. This watch is interesting for a couple of reasons. First of all, it's three-dimensional and multicolored. These decorations are superimposed on a gold case. This is not stamped. This is various parts welded on or gold soldered to the case, and they're multicolored. The case is also a scalloped case. You see the rim here. That is always of great interest to collectors. These cases are not so common and always bring a better price. Let me get my glasses so I can see better. The movement is American Waltham, and the dial is in absolutely mint condition. No hairline cracks or anything. The hands are original, and in the back the movement again has jewels which are in settings, and the settings are screwed into the plate, which is a sign of high grade. That type of thing was done only to high grade watches. The movement is nicely decorated, which was an art in itself. So we have a watch here not only in mint condition, but also of very high grade, and dated by the inscription which says it says Barbara E. Marer, M-A-R-E-R, from Brother Frank, March 2nd, 93, meaning 1893. So we have a pretty close date on the watch at the same time. Very interesting for a collector.